Okay, so to pan your audio in Audacity, you have a very simple tool right here. So you'll have to go and drag it either to the left or to the right. And if you do that, this will make it so that this audio track is going to be audible only in the left ear right here. And you can do similar thing to the second track if you want to, if you intend to have a stereo track. So if you pan this one, you can have it all the way to the right, and you'll hear this track in the left ear, this one in the right ear. And now if, for example, you want to have a stereo track, you can click on the first one, on the first track, and you can choose this option to make a stereo track. So now this one, this will combine both of your mono tracks, and you'll have a single stereo track audible in both ears, but the first one is going to play in the left one and the second one is going to play in the right ear.